rulebook. It's got samples and all that good stuff. You got the game boards here. Alright, we're going to switch angles here so you guys can see more of the board in a better detail. These are just the rule explanations, so you can kind of get going in the game. Rule explanations. So and then these are the boards where rounds take place. So it looks like they just basically want you to there's like a family friendly version, but my friends and we didn't play that version. All the different wooden pieces, kind of score pad. The animals. You can get meeples, but for the different things. Eventually I might get, pick those up. But these are all the different kinds of cards. I really don't want to go into showing all these cards because it's kind of. Some people don't like to see the cards because I'm just gonna pretty much fan them out. You get tons of cards, so this game. So there's even a complex deck. So you can make the game as difficult or easy as you want. And some more cards. Games, so a lot of like defenses, and these represent your people, your family. These are your barns and stuff like that. Got a lot of nice little chips. These represent your wheat, your corn. carrots. These are your animals. You can get meeples for, like I said. But I wanted to show you a few things. Like these are beggar cards. Like you can't feed your family, you have to take one of these cards, and they add up to being negative points for your game. So you can get like occupations like cattle whisperer, master baker, head of the family, flake flyer. So yeah, that's more one of our meatier games that we're gonna probably play later.